Proven Winners is a plant brand, and we really pride ourselves on testing and trialing our plants. So we're really picking the best plants that gardeners are going to be successful with. You know, we're taking a lot of the guesswork out of it. We spend a lot of time trialing and testing these plants, so we want to make sure that when we put a name on these plants that, you know, we've trademarked it, we've patented the plant genetics to really make sure folks are getting what they think they're getting. It was really rewarding to be picking out plants that I knew were bulletproof. You can go to the garden center, take this home, you're gonna grow it even if you don't have a green thumb. It's a really great plant. Whether or not you're just beautifying your yard or, you know, creating a space you really like to come home to, when you're successful at something, it makes you want to go back and keep doing more of that. In order to continue inspiring people to get outdoors, we need to keep having people in the horticulture industry to support that. It's a really multifaceted industry, and I think because of that, even if you're not a hands-on plant person, there are lots of different ways you can still get into the industry.